This is not simply about renovating a building. It is about changing what is possible for the people who walk through these doors.
This is what momentum looks like in the city of Reading.
Collegetown is not defined by a single building. It's a long-term commitment to Reading, to partnerships, and to progress.
The project is not just about bricks and mortar. It is about dignity. It is about equity. And it is about investing in the long-term vitality of downtown Reading.
As someone who grew up right here in Reading, I can tell you that this is such a great feeling to see it being revived.
This building is being transformed into a community-centered hub that expands access to affordable, coordinated healthcare and wraparound supports in the heart of Reading.
The JP2 Café is opening a truly unique, hands-on learning environment where our students will develop real-world skills to support their dreams of employment, entrepreneurship, and service.
We're not just breaking a wall today, folks. We're breaking ground on a brighter, healthier future for the city of Reading.
Bless this building with open doors of welcome to all.